Now, speaking of the opposition, West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee and Samajwadi Party Chief Akhilesh Yadav shared the stage at a rally in Kolkata, showcasing the unity. Both leaders have hit out at the BJP, predicting the central government's imminent collapse. Mamata Banerjee also praised Akhilesh Yadav's party for the impressive performance in the recent Lok Sabha elections.
हम आपको पार्टी को, समाजवादी पार्टी को पहले अभिनंदन करने चाहूंगी कि यूपी में जो खेल आपने दिखाया, अभी तो बीजेपी को रिजाइन करना चाहिए था, लेकिन उसको शर्म कम होता है। आपको थोड़ा से दिन इंतजार करने पड़ेगा, लेकिन आपका साथ मैं सहमत हूं कि दिल्ली में जो गवर्नमेंट एजेंसी लगा के, इलेक्शन कमीशन को लगा के, डरा के जो गवर्नमेंट ले आया, वो स्टेबल गवर्नमेंट नहीं है। कोई भी दिन वो जा सकता है।
सांप्रदायिक ताकतें अपना षड्यंत्र रच रही हैं। जो सत्ता में लोग हैं दिल्ली में, और दिल्ली के इशारे पर जो लोग बैठे हैं जगह जगह पर, वो लगातार षड्यंत्र कर रहे हैं। खुदगर्जी और मुनाफाखोरी ही इनका कारोबार होता है। हालांकि बंगाल ने, आप लोगों ने मिलकर के यहां मुकाबला किया, बीजेपी को हटा दिया। जो दिल्ली में सरकार में बैठे लोग हैं, वो सरकार चलने वाली नहीं है, वो सरकार गिरने वाली है।
Now, the rally, which was held in Kolkata's Dharmatala area, was organized to observe Martyrs' Day, commemorating the 13 people who were killed and representing the Trinamool Congress in 1993. This event is considered one of the biggest political gatherings in the calendar of the ruling TMC.
TMC will have a huge rally on 21st July. And comparing with that, BJP's any program, that will be a miserably failure. They have been defeated in recent Lok Sabha election and by-elections assembly, and they are trying to make some issues, but they are very much disturbed only because of their internal politics, their groups, etc., etc. So they are trying to divert the issue. They are trying to showcase that they are going to organize a rally, a program, but they have absolutely no public support.
My colleague Adrija is joining us live at this point. Adrija, the presence of Akhilesh Yadav at the Martyrs' Day rally in Kolkata today was significant because many political analysts see Akhilesh Yadav as the sort of intermediary between Rahul Gandhi and Mamata Banerjee in order to ensure that the two most important units of the India bloc remain on the same page.
Well, absolutely, you see, but as far as Congress leadership, the central Congress leadership is concerned, Rahul Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi and Mamata Banerjee do share a very good relationship among each other. It is the state Congress, that is Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary and other Congress leaders in the state of West Bengal, that Mamata Banerjee and TMC have a problem with. Now, even in the Lok Sabha elections and in the by-elections that happened just a few weeks ago, we have seen that Congress along with left is fighting against the TMC and the BJP. Now, this is something that is exclusively happening in the state of West Bengal itself, because Mamata Banerjee on one hand seems to have very good relationship with the central leadership of the Congress, but on the other hand, even recently Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary also came out to make this statement that he will continue to fight against Mamata Banerjee, and he has also blamed the TMC for playing communal politics in the Baharampur area where Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary has lost the elections this time. So of course the fight continues between the Congress and the TMC in the state of West Bengal. But as far as the national leadership is concerned, it is looked into that the central leadership of Congress, especially as a part of the India alliance, are in good terms with Mamata Banerjee. And at the same time, Akhilesh Yadav coming today in the Martyrs' Day rally and sharing the dice with Mamata Banerjee also gives out a very strong message that, and both of them also have clearly spoken on a very strong message that India alliance as a united bloc will be fighting against the BJP in the coming days, and they will continue continue to fight until and unless, this NDA government that is in power at present is not brought down. And they have also ensured the people that if people is with them, then the NDA government, which is a very unstable government at present, will not be in power for a very long time.
Absolutely. Adrija, thanks a lot for joining us from West Bengal.